Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a sag or a run in a reglazed surface. As you can see, there's a large sag here which looks like a little bit of pooling from spraying the bottom of the tub, and then there's also a very small drip or run right here on the side wall. I'm going to show you how to easily just wet sand that out. So I'm going to start working on the sag or puddling at the bottom of the tub with 120 grit sandpaper. I'm pretty confident using 120 grit because I spray a nice thick coat. This area puddled because I actually had sweat drip from my arm sleeve of my spray suit, and then I tried to dab it and then cover it up with some spray, and it just got a little thick in that area. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it so I can get it wet sanded, and I'm just going to basically, with the 120, massage it down so that way it's smooth and we get rid of that sharp edge. Normally with runs or drips I'll use a finer sandpaper, less coarse, like 800, 600, even to 1000, 2000s, but because it's a sag at the bottom of the tub, I'm just going to go ahead and save time and use the 120 to really get it down quick. Now that I've got it down, I'm going to go ahead and start smoothing it out and start massaging it with some 600 grit. So I'll wet sand it with 600 grit to smoothen it out. This is a little bit of a test too on how well the material is bonded and adhered to be able to sand it with 120 grit and then 600 without having any flaking, peeling, or anything of that sort. So now we've got this small little drip or run that I'm going to take some 600 grit, wet sand it. Usually sometimes I'll dry sand it real quick and then I'll wet sand it and just massage it out. With this one I'm not even going to have to polish it. I'm literally just taking some 600 grit and slowly massaging that run out. And just like that, the drip is gone, and now I'm going to head back over to work on the bottom of the tub. So now that we've got it all sanded down, I've sprayed on some primer. That way I could go ahead and get ready to spray a little bit of top coat just to blend it in. So there you have it. I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of the top coat on it, blended it in at the bottom, and now it's good to go.